I remember the day when I was 11 years. So the day was usually it's normal day. After school, we used to play with my friends, and the game was of with marbles, the small glass balls. In Hindi, it is called kancha. So we used to play daily with my friends. On that particular day, when we are playing, I was continuously losing those. So I frequently goes into my house, bring more marbles, give it to my friends, then play. Go into my house, bring more marbles, give it to my friends, and this goes for 5 6 times. And suddenly my mother noticed, and he said, "What happened? Why are you frequently visiting home? Is everything right?" So I told her that I'm losing the game, so I have to come inside and bring more marbles and give to them. So then she gave me a lesson for life. She said, "Okay, wait, do not play for another 5 to 10 minutes right now. Analyze the things, take a rest, make your brain to recharge itself, and after that you can start playing." So I had done the same thing. So after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I started again, go with my friends and start playing. And you know what happened? I started winning. So how does it happen? Because whenever you are in trouble or in some problem, then your mind doesn't work. You simply go with the flow. You don't analyze the things. You simply, the mind says yes, you can do that, you can, and it's not good for you as well. So in your life, if you have something like this, you simply put aside some time, take out some time, analyze the things. What is going on it? Is something right or something you are doing right? Is something wrong what you are doing? See the things from different angle. Maybe there is something that you are missing right now, or you can do something. So see how I started my game after 5 to 10 minutes and I started winning. Same thing you can apply, and I'm applying that advice of my mother from that days. I'm still, whenever I was in, there's any deep problem or something, simply analyze. Take out 1 or 2 hours, analyze the things. What are the things going wrong? You can see the things from different angles, and then take actions on that. It's a very helpful advice. I advise all you to follow this. It will create a lot of impact in your life as well. It will help you in your career. Make sure to sit back and analyze the things for some time if you are in any problem. Good luck for your life.